Hey guys, welcome to How to Tile Like a Pro. Here today I have a short video I'm going to make about how to tile around this circular fountain. Now the biggest problem or challenge to tile this circular fountain is how to get a level line around a circle when your normal way of putting a level line with your 4-foot level is not going to work when it goes around in a circle. So obviously, there's a couple other ways you can do it. Maybe put a couple different marks, different areas, put a chalk line. You can level it from the top, and measure down. But I found the quickest, the easiest, and most effective way is to use a laser level. Right here, I'm using a Bosch GLL50 laser level. You obviously don't need this one, but what I love about this one is it's self-leveling. So you just prop it somewhere and it'll seek its own level, and it produces a horizontal and vertical line. Once you have the line up there on the wall, you could just match your tile right to that line, and there you go. You have a level line wrapping all the way around a circular fountain. So I find it very helpful in this situation, particularly because it's round and it's hard to get a level line all the way around, and it's important to have a level line, obviously. So another perk about this laser level is it's on the wall, but you can just trowel the whole wall, not having to try to go around a chalk line or pencil line. You just literally trowel the whole wall, and the laser is still shot there right where it needs to be. So after you trowel it, you can just stick your tile right to the lines, and you have a nice level and plumb installation. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked it, make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. I hope to be putting a lot out. If you have any questions about this, let me know in the comment section. And you'll see right here, we're all troweled up. We're going to slap the tiles up there, and voila, look at that. Beautiful, leveled tile installation around this circular fountain. Take care, guys. Have a good day. Bye.